What is up, everybody? Dak here, and today I'm working on a sub box for one of my friends. As you can see, this is a rather odd shaped sub box. The design is based on the Kunai from Team Fortress 2, which is one of the weapons in the game. It's a sealed box, and it's for, well, this one's dead, but the same driver. So that driver's got an EBP of 62.5, which means it's pretty close to being good sealed sub. So it's going to be inverse mounted in here, as in the magnet is going to stick out of the box for two reasons. One, actually for a few reasons. One, bit more airspace. Two, easier to get to terminals on it. And three, it's part of the design of the box. With the knife in the game, this is kind of the blade for it. It's a big chunky blade, very geometric. And it comes back to the handle, and I'm going to be doing something with the magnet of the speaker to make it kind of look like a handle. This box can accept drivers which are like that one there with small magnets on the back in the standard mount, but unfortunately that one has a it's kind of a double stack magnet. It's one of those helper magnets on the back. Due to that angle right there, it can't fit in. This box is also symmetrical along the line from that point there to that point there. So it should be quite an aesthetically pleasing box, I'm hoping. Now thankfully, due to some of the parts in that box right there, I learned a bit more about the dynamics of freehand gluing, and that's why I'm hoping this shape is still quite strong. Unfortunately, it is hard to do straight cuts with a jigsaw, which is all I'm using since this is a small job. Like this is 2 days worth and probably about an hour total work on this so far. In fact, the maths took me longer than it took me to get to this point right here, with just about all panels cut. This one needs a bit of modification though. So yeah, this is his 21st birthday present, and I really hope he likes it. I'm not sure if this video will be up before or after I give it to him, but after this I've got to carpet it and probably spray paint it black too. I think I might spray paint it black just to seal it, and seal it a bit better, and also just in case you can see through the carpet. I know the carpet on the box in my car is pretty dense, but still places where the carpet's kind of peeling back, I'd prefer it if I could not have to worry about that. But yeah, that one's still working. In fact, the sub I'm putting in this box is currently in this box. So, wow, I kind of keep forgetting how big that thing is. It's over 400 litres. It's bigger than the garbage bin. So yeah, you can see 400 litre box, 20 litre box. Something else I was thinking about doing is that angle right there is 60 degrees. It looks like 50 kind of degrees, but I measured it at 60 degrees. I don't know why it doesn't look like it, but I thought about making just a small kind of box, like an open front box for this to sit in, so it would work like a horn. I might do some simulations to see if it'll work, and if it does, and he ever needs a sub for some music at a party, then it'd be like a triangle shape, so it goes up flush against that, flush along the bottom, and then an angle straight across. I reckon that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, just got to do a wee bit more modifications to that panel right there, and then glue it on. This panel right here is still gluing on. It's not clamped or anything, because it's quite hard to clamp. In fact, right now it's kind of teetering off. Oh, that's why it doesn't look like 60, because it's an angle. That's how it sits in the car. But yeah, this is more or less just a quick update on what I'm doing right now. Due to the most recent video doing quite well also, I've got to think of what video to do next. I think I've got some ideas. But if you're a regular viewer of the channel, who I'm guessing will be the people watching this, then leave a comment down below as to what videos you reckon I should make, or maybe even just some questions that you've had and kind of want answering. I might even be able to answer them in the comments too, so I think I might just do an impedance video for my next one, how to wire up speakers to the right impedance, and I could even explain box rise. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.